Alright guys, so tonight I'm just simply prepping the car for its first car show. Yeah, super excited. So the car show is going to be held at Detail Garage over in Tampa, and the Amazon guy's coming to ruin my video because my wife cannot stop, Carly can't stop ordering stuff. It's like a disease. So I'm going to pause this and then we'll pick back up. Alright, let's start back up again. So, I don't know what I was saying, but the car show is at Detail Garage. It's over in Tampa, over near like the Temple Terrace area, so more like east, a little bit north side of Tampa. So I am going to clean this up real quick, but I'm going to bring you guys obviously to the car show. We're going to be picking up, well, first we're going to be meeting up with a few guys. One that has like an 1100 horsepower wheel horsepower Trans Am, which is just badass. And then also to my buddy AJ, who works at Fast Forward Engines. They're over in Newport Richey. He builds motors pretty much from V6 to V24 to, you know, LS's to anything over 6 cylinders and over. So he would not mess with my Subaru. He just didn't want that hassle, which I don't blame him. But anyway, so that's who's going to be building our block. But regardless, so I'm just going to do a quick detail on the car right now, make sure it looks all nice and pretty. Real quick, so this Mother's California Gold instant detailer is hands down the best quick spray detailer that I personally have ever used. You literally spray it on, you know, spread it around with one side of the microfiber towel, and then flip over the towel and kind of dry it, and, you know, do like a little bit of a light buffing, so to speak. But the color on it is unreal. It truly is like a mirror finish. This car is far from perfect when it comes to its paint job. That's actually one of my next things on my list to tackle, but it truly like makes it look amazing. So, and it has like a very odd, why would I say odd? Has a very good like cherry smell to it, if you're into that kind of thing. So I've never had a detailer that actually smelled like really good, like I got enjoyment while putting it on. So, but yeah, figured I'd at least throw it out there. I've been obviously detailing cars since before I could drive. So yeah, best one I've ever used. So, and it's nothing special, so pretty cheap as well. So, but continuing the detail. All right, she is all ready. Oh, let's lock that door. We will see you guys tomorrow morning, bright and early. Good morning, guys. I started my car this morning, and pretty sure I woke up the entire neighborhood. Felt absolutely horrible, but hey, it is what it is. Just filling up. I'm making our way to meet up with the crew, and I'll be able to film for you guys at that point. And but you know, I had to just do this quick gas station walk around because it just looks so nice under the gas station lighting. So huge turnout. GTRs, huge turnout. This entire parking lot and overflow is covered with cars. obviously can't forget the Z. Here's the 1600 wheel horsepower Trans Am that I rode in with.
Man, it's ridiculous. You know?
Unbelievable.
I remember when tins were fast. Now it's like you go buy the car from the dealer and it does that.
Exactly.
You're like, geez.
Right. So
I know, like I just want to be able to run what you're running now.
It's insane.
I can run 9.2s, maybe turn it up.
Pulls with that car, it was like I was standing still. I'll get some more for you. It was unbelievable. I was comical. It was comical. RB.